Good morning and welcome back to day 2 of our ChatGPT guided trip of Reus. ChatGPT, what have you got for me? Modernist route and local markets. I do like a market. So first things first. Breakfast at Forn Sistaré. Apparently it's only going to be €4, but it ain't. But yeah, let's get breakfast. So we're on the way to Forn Sistaré now. The closest one was closed. Very quiet in the streets. And that is it there. Is that a little bakery? Right, let's have a look in here. So you put your money in a little machine and it chucks out your change. There's somewhere to put up amongst you. Yeah, so that was breakfast. €1.90. We'll see if we can go in this church and munch it, shall we? Oh, the only thing, we're sitting in this church, all the chocolatey bit is stuck to the bloody bag. There's nowhere to sit in there though, that's the only problem. So, yeah, maybe go and find a coffee in a minute. I'm outside this place called Vienna, having a coffee. And this is a better place than that Sand Fair, wherever it was. What has ChatGPT got for us next? Self-guided modernist architecture. I'm guessing you need to know where this bloody self-modernist architecture is. But R12 is Visit Institut Pierre Matter. Don't even know what it is. Oh, it's not open until Saturday. Cheers, ChatGPT. Then it's lunch at 2. Oh, as them things are a bit lame, we'll try the Vermouth Museum. I don't even know how to say it. We'll try that first. Back at that sign. There we go, that way. It's a bit smelly down this little alley. Please be open. It's the only place I really want to do. Oh look, oh fuck me, it's open. It's open. Oh look at all these posters. Oh, they're really cool. It's no part of the restaurant. It was Cinzano, Vermut. Cool, look at that view for the... That's a cool view. On back to playing cards. They're cool. Oh mate, look how good that would be to have in your living room. Right, let's go get some food and try some vermut. I want to try some vermuts. Can I try 5 different ones? Mixture.
Try this one.
Yeah?
The curry.
Okay, cool. Bianco. Martini Bianco. Yeah.
Good.
Gracias. We've got 4 to try. So this is the first one. Combinado Mesure. Include vermin de Reus. €6. Fuck me, sweet. This is the second one. Very sweet as well. That was a Cinzano, but you have to read the thing. It's alright. Next one. And a CD. People are coming in and looking at my lineup of drinks like I'm a lunatic. Vermuts ain't that great, to be honest with you. So I've just ordered the Bravas. Got a recommendation of Mini Cocos de Pan Crystal con Sardines, translates into mini crystal bread cakes with smoked sardines, tomato tartar and basil. The Reus is here. That looks wicked. Cheese and potatoes. Can't, oh bollocks. That's the best food I've had since I've been here. Soaked in melted cheese. And a sprinkle of smoked paprika. That's proper. Get nice, I'm guessing you have to cut it. Basically sardines on bread. That's it. Pretty bloody banging. Be a bit uncouth. So that was the Vermouth Museum. This one down here, look. There's people who've got dogs out here, it's what they don't do in England. So if your dog pisses out here, everyone has a lot of squirty bottle of water and washes the piss away. So it was €29.30. So sardines on bread, brevis, and 4 vermouths or vermuts or whatever, bloody hell. Don't care what you call it, it's fucking disgusting. Yeah, and now I'm pissed a fart. 11 AM vermouths. It's a nice little square up there. Who's this geezer up here? That is a dude. Who's this geezer? Edward. It's Eddie. Eddie Todd de Quell? God knows. No idea, mate. One too many. Good afternoon. So that Vermouth was pretty bloody strong. I come back and fell asleep and now it's like 6:30 PM. I'm going to sort my life out and go to the Reus Art Museum as per instructions of ChatGPT. So we come up to the museum on the right, we're here. Guess what, it's closed, isn't it? Cheers ChatGPT. Yeah, but that's it behind me. I'll have a little walk somewhere and see where we end up. Let's do some of that. You see these things everywhere, right? And now it's for underground parking. There's underground parking everywhere. I don't know what any of that says. But it looks like it might be some kind of political stuff. Community area, don't let your dog piss. I think we need to find a couple of beers and still squat out walk for no Sylvester possible? I only speak English, sorry. Yeah, large. Thank you. Sorry, my Spanish not good. Sorry. So, I'm trying the crispy pork snout. See how that goes. I'm guessing it's a pig's nose. Let's try a bit of crispy pork snout. No flavour to it, man. There's literally no taste. I wonder if that was his nostril that little while now. This is more like it. I've got some chips, mate. I've got some chips. That's better, isn't it? Yeah. Ah, gracias. Thank you. Don't know what that sauce is and them black bits on it, but it's got to be better than that horrible stuff. 2 large beers, my pig nose, my chips, come to a total of €19.50, which is alright really. So, rundown of day 2 in Reus and ChatGPT's guidance. So, it gave us today, well, day 2 was modernist route and local markets. There was no markets involved. Let's face it, there was no markets at all. Breakfast at Forn Sistaré. Yep, that happened. I said that was €4. Only $1.90 for a little pastry. But there was nowhere to sit outside, so I plotted up in the gardens of a church. 10 AM, it's 8:30, 9:30. That's an hour and a half to eat a bloody bit of breakfast. At 10, it was self-guided modernist architecture tour. That's all right if you know your modern architecture and where you got to go and all that. You should have given more details, but oh well. Then 12:30, Institut Pierre Mata. It was closed. And then there was lunch at Estelle. Oh no, that's it. We replaced them two with the Vermouth Museum, which is better. Absolutely hammered because of that. And then 4 p.m. Reus Art and History Museum, again closed. Then it had dinner at La Presso, but I went somewhere else for dinner. So, actually, wasn't that great today, the old ChatGPT. But yeah, it flopped a lot. A lot of places were closed. So, but tomorrow is Tarragona. We like a bit of Tarragona. I've been there before. And I'm going to take you to the best tapas place on the planet. Absolutely amazing tapas. But yeah, day 2, Reus. Dodgy ChatGPT. They weren't doing it today. But I'm glad we went to the Vermouth, whatever you called it, museum. That was cool. Drunk way too much, but the actual drinks are horrid. The food was great though. But yeah, tomorrow it is. See you then.